Ready? What's that?
Today we mark the opening of the KRC office of the Legal Aid Commission. And without further ado, I would like to invite.
Some of you may remember in August of last year, by the coast in Nabo, 8 lives were lost in a horrific accident on the road. It was a tragedy felt across the country. We all sympathize dearly with all those who suffered the terrible and sudden loss of a loved one. And the memory of that remains painfully etched in our national consciousness to this day. In the midst of that unimaginable heartache, the families impacted by the tragedy were left to make sense of a catastrophic and unexpected situation. Some families had lost their breadwinner, someone who they counted on to make ends meet in their household. Others lost children, whose lives each held astonishing promise. It was an incredibly painful time for those Fijian families. But in the immediate aftermath of that event, families who needed the support were able to turn to the women and men of the Legal Aid Commission to seek the assistance they deserved in their time of suffering. It was the legal aid officers who helped those families with the paperwork and legal documentation to enable them to assume administration over their deceased family members' estate, allowing them to receive compensation money from the Accident Compensation Commission in Fiji. Accident Compensation Commission Fiji. They didn't need to front the costs of those legal fees themselves. They did not need to spend months or years in the courts. Instead, they quickly received legal expertise that enabled them to access our recently established Accident Compensation Commission Fiji, which paid out invaluable assistance to those families in their time of need. Whether you are a family suffering from the loss of a loved one, a family facing eviction, a mother seeking custody of a child, a couple looking to adopt a new member of their family, someone who is facing criminal charges, or someone in their later stages of life who needs to draft a will, the Legal Aid Commission is there to support the Fijian people. Our legal aid officers are capable and comforting voice of legal expertise provided free of charge, who qualify, as well as a source of legal representation for families who qualify for assistance. The provision of these services is not charity. It is the realization of the constitutional right of every Fijian, the right of equal access to justice. That is why today is so important as we officially open the KRC branch of the Legal Aid Commission and the new births, deaths and marriage registry. Today, we are bringing those services directly to your footstep, to your doorstep, putting you on equal footing with Fijians in our major towns and urban areas. I'm well aware of the reality once faced by a community. If residents in KRC wanted to speak with a legal aid officer, that often meant making the arduous and costly journey to Singatoka. But accessing justice shouldn't mean hours of travel by bus or by cars. You must be able to access justice here, in your community, where you live, where you work and raise your families. And as of today, people in the KRC and the surrounding areas, you finally can. At this office, you can obtain advice free of charge to assist with witnessing documents, such as birth certificates, academic transcripts, and so on, dealing with landlord and tenant-related issues, drafting wills, and helping with probate matters. And with their knowledge and expertise to help guide you, you can all, more easily than ever before, wield the tremendous power of the rule of law for your benefit and the benefit of your families. If your family earns less than $15,000 a year, you can also obtain free legal representation in family and criminal matters, and even in some civil matters as well. At this new legal aid office, you will have a lawyer available 2 to 3 days of the week who will provide free legal services. I've been told they will be here on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, who will provide free legal services. We will also have a full-time client information officer and a registry officer to provide first-line legal assistance. I also want to make clear that juveniles can utilize the services offered at legal aid offices in Fiji free of charge. As a young person, your socio-economic background will not be considered, neither will the socio-economic status of your family. These doors are always open to you, and I encourage young people in need of legal services to take full advantage. This week is the historic one for the Legal Aid Commission. Tomorrow, as I said, I will be in Sengaga, and the day after in Taveuni to open 2 legal aid offices in those places. The Tuma, Kandavo, and Vundawa will soon be welcoming new legal aid offices of their own, and once we finish work in the office in Nabucco, we will have 22 branches of the Commission throughout Fiji. These milestone achievements in expanding access to justice are being made possible by an unprecedented spending commitment from my government towards the expansion of legal aid, including the $10.4 million allocated in this financial year. On a per capita basis, our financial commitment towards the expansion of legal aid services ranks Fiji as a world leader in funding access to justice. We're seeking the returns of that world-leading effort. We're seeing the returns of that world-leading effort. Today, the Legal Aid Commission in Fiji is Fiji's largest law firm. Every day it gives more low-income earners in Fiji greater opportunity than ever before to seek legal aid and enjoy the security, assurance, and full protection of the law. That matters because the law and access to legal services are the greatest equalizers in Fijian society. Thanks to our Fijian Constitution, in our courts there is no favor granted to anyone on the basis of their background, their wealth, or their social status. The law views each of us equally. That sacred truth forms the very basis of our common and equal citizenry and our shared identity as one nation and one people. For that reason, we cannot tolerate financial limitations on access to justice. We cannot tolerate marginalization in our justice system. If any Fijian needs representation, they must be able to get it. And they get it through the legal aid. And that is what the women and men employed in this new office are dedicated to delivering for the Fijian people. I also said just a few minutes ago, I also officially opened a new birth, deaths, and marriage registry in KSC, bringing excuse me, another range of important services direct to your community. This office will be home to 2 full-time staff who can register a birth, death, or marriage, and print out copies of birth, marriage, and death certificates, as well as provide titles and deed searches and register businesses. Today is a big day for KIC. I remember when I was here to break ground on the KIC hospital, that was also a big moment as well. Today, the community of KIC and the surrounding villages and communities is even closer to having the same level of services and infrastructure necessary to modernize and move forward on their way to become a town. Today, you become a part of our national development and national life like never before. Today, You are no longer on the sidelines of service delivery, waiting for your moment to enjoy the same level of services found in our major towns and cities. Today your moment has come, people of Kayasi and the surrounding community. As always, my government's commitment to each one of you is unwavering, and we will continue to come to you with the services of infrastructure you need to make life better and to secure an even brighter future. Now, thank you and God bless you.